इवनिंग, नमस्कार, आदाब, वेलकम और आप सबका स्वागत है सैमसंग आईफा अवार्ड्स 2004 में। सिंगापुर में हूँ ऑन द रेड कार्पेट और मेरे साथ है मेरे फैबुलस को-होस्ट विवान भतेना और मैं हूँ रक्षंदा खान, योर होस्टेस फॉर दिस इवनिंग।
गुड इवनिंग रक्षंदा। क्या आपको मालूम है कि ये सैमसंग आईफा अवार्ड्स का 5वां साल है? लंदन, मलेशिया, साउथ अफ्रीका ट्वाइस और इस बार हम सिंगापुर में पहुंच गए हैं। दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट आईफाज येट।
यू नो विवान, सिर्फ हम ही सिंगापुर में नहीं पहुंचे, हमारे साथ साथ बॉलीवुड का पूरा कंटिंजेंट इन फुल फोर्स यहाँ पर पहुंच गया। ऑल द सुपरस्टार्स फ्रॉम द बिग बी, शाहरुख, ऋतिक, रानी, प्रीति, you name it, they're here. And of course, with all their screaming, excited fans, the excitement has begun.
पर रक्षंदा, तुम्हें मालूम है कि आईफा की जर्नी यहाँ से नहीं शुरू होती है, लेकिन इट इज अ लॉन्ग आर्डुअस प्रोसेस।
जी हाँ, बहुत सारी मेहनत, बहुत कुछ जाता है इस शो को बनाने में into what it actually is. So before this place actually goes crazy with all the stars, चलिए आपको दिखाते हैं the IFA experience so far.
Welcome to the IFA experience.
हर सफर की एक शुरुआत होती है और इस सफर की शुरुआत होती है एयरपोर्ट से। हम हैं सिंगापुर के फेमस चैंगी एयरपोर्ट पर, जहाँ पर सब स्टार एक एक करके अराइव कर रहे हैं। How you guys doing?
I'm really looking forward to it. It seems like a lot of fun. It's going to be exciting and hope to have a lot of fun.
Very exciting being here and I love Singapore.
It's family and we make it a point that we are here every year for IFA.
It went crazy. It's right.
IFA is bringing the world closer to us and it's really an honor to come here.
My film's premiering and both my parents are nominated.
It's going to be a wonderful time. Everybody's there, so it's going to be extra fun for us.
The response we've got at the airport was just tremendous. I love the flowers and we had all these dancers and everything, so it's just very exciting. I'm just going to look forward to a great weekend here in Singapore. I think the IFA is going to rock.
This is the second time that I'm performing. Last time was at the Genting, Malaysia, and now it's here. I love this place.
We're very excited. It's a great show. It's done on a very big scale and it promises to be lots of fun.
Very happy I'm performing here. Quite excited. I want to get on stage and start rehearsing soon.
I've been wanting to come to the IFA to attend the past 3 years and I haven't got the chance. I was busy every year. So this time I've made it a point. I was absolutely sure that I was going to attend this one. हमारे साथ हैं दोस्तों बॉलीवुड की सबसे बड़ी स्टार करीना कपूर। हाय करीना।
Hi.
टेल मी हाउ वाज योर फ्लाइट हियर?
It was really exciting because there were a lot of people on the flight and really happy to be here because so many Bollywood actors and what is really nice is that everybody's there together.
मैंने देखा कि आपके साथ शाहिद भी है। Is that true?
Well, he's come because he's winning an award and I've come because of my movie, so it just happens we're at the same place.
Yeah, you guys are premiering here today. So what are your expectations from the film?
Well, it's a Mani Ratnam film, that name spells enough.
स्टार्स अपने होटल रूम तक नहीं पहुंचे तब रिहर्सल्स भी चालू हो गई हैं। इट इज नॉट अ पिकनिक बीइंग अ सेलिब्रिटी, आई टेल यू।
Using this new technology called the line array system, which made by Nexo, the Geo system. We've put about 24 cabinets all over, which amounts to about 42,000 watts.
we are using 414 lights, moving lights.
Well, I'm performing to one of our legends, to a really big legend of the film industry, someone who's very close to us, someone who's a part of our family. She happens to be the great, the one and only Helen. She's so good at doing, and just being a part of that whole legacy is really great. We've grown up humming their tunes, and when you're actually getting to be a part, sit with them and perform to their numbers, I think it's great. I mean, and the people involved with the whole thing also are doing a brilliant job, and yeah, we're having a really rocking time.
मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा सौभाग्य है कि आज अपने छोटी से एक ग्रुप में मैं बच्चन जी को एक ट्रिब्यूट पेश कर रहा हूँ अपनी तरफ से। जब हम गाना बनाते हैं तो सोचे कौन से गाने रखने चाहिए। अमित जी के लिए जब परफॉर्म करें तो सोचना पड़ता है कौन से निकालना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इतने सारे अमेजिंग गाने, इतने बड़े बड़े हिट गाने हैं कि उनमें से निकाले कौन से, रखे कौन से, बड़ा मुश्किल है चयन करना। तो इसीलिए शायद ये इस पूरे शो का सबसे लंबा एक्ट है, 12 मिनट का एक्ट है नॉन स्टॉप।